guys, and
Hello
welcome
guys.
to this video where we'll be filming on Roblox.
Coffee.
Not coffee, in Animal Hospital, isn't that what it's called?
Yo, yes. Yo, yes.
Can
Yo,
can
yes.
I take can I take care of like checking the name?
Yeah, you can check in. I will.
Yeah,
I will go and get some herbs
some what?
stuff.
Yeah. So now, yeah. So yeah, we will be playing this game.
Yes.
And we haven't posted in a long time, or I haven't I
Long
haven't
time.
I haven't posted in a real long time. So I'm back. I kind of forgot to film anything with
Me.
him. Yeah. And by the way, this will only show up on his point of view.
That
I will now,
I changed my
yeah,
name.
to Abyss, or what
Yes.
was it, Abyss? I'm just calling you
Yes.
Abyss.
Okay.
So
That's fine.
yeah, I'm just gonna call you Abyss, like the abyss, like the void.
Yeah. I'm the
Your
real wood.
yeah. But yeah, so me and Abyss
Oh,
will be playing and trying to not
die.
not die. Yeah,
Or
not
kill
die.
anyone.
Mostly.
Yeah.
Except anomalies. And
Anomalies.
do you want the taser when we're done?
I guess I can take the taser.
Yeah.
Like, I guess.
You need to treat a patient. What are you doing?
I'm treating a patient.
Are you? Oh, yo, it's actually working for you. Done. Yeah.
Oh, I
Oh,
just got
excellent,
stalked.
excellent. What?
I just got
Oh, yeah,
stalked.
that isn't it. That shadow thing.
Yeah. It's Refuse sister.
Oh, wait, what? You said?
Who?
I thought you said that this is
Refuse.
sister. I
Yeah.
thought you said they
Said
look
nothing wrong.
fine to me. I like you scared me. Like
Yeah, I know
I
I am
got I
scary.
I got out of cameras and then you like jump scare.
Coffee
Like,
ready.
oh, that's mine. 100% mine.
You just
I'm
take the
taking.
coffee.
Yeah, and we need to are we drinking the coffee, like the whole coffee?
You choose.
Yeah, next time I'm gonna save my coffee for, what is his name again?
Barney.
Bailey or something?
Barney.
I'm calling him Bailey. I don't care. I'm calling him Bailey.
Ooh.
So
Really?
and just so you know, oh, that's anomaly. I don't want that thing around. But yeah, and it's pretty funny actually because I have watched a movie where there was a dog named Bailey. So every time I think of Bailey, it's a dog I think of. So a like golden retriever.
Yeah.
But
I was there to watch it.
I don't want to get copyrighted, so I'm not gonna say the name. If you want me to say the name, I will drop it in the comments. If so, just comment if you would like the name of it.
Is that an anom?
No.
Good.
And stop jump scaring me.
No, I will never stop.
It, yes, you will. My back is
Nuh-uh.
killing me in this chair. There's
And why is it that?
no, it's that that dude that's sitting in the chair waiting.
Ah.
His one of his dialogues were that.
Oh.
And I have a question.
Yeah.
So, if you like start to lag, do I just like play it cool and keep on with what
I
I'm doing?
guess. Yeah.
Yeah,
You
okay,
can do that.
that's a deal. Because you have lag sometimes in the Minecraft videos.
Oh. Okay.
Oh yes, it's open. What? Oh, I could actually use one of the things really.
Where is it?
Could
Oh.
use two of them. No, I can't buy the extra window. I'm just gonna take that.
I'm
So
not
now I
gonna
have
take anything.
I'm gonna take this also because oh fuck
This
no
guy is.
no
This guy has 3 things. Check the cameras.
I know.
3 things is crazy. That's
Are you
mine.
serious?
Oh. No coffee. I need some coffee.
I have coffee.
Oh, you do?
Mm. So do I just like give him the coffee?
Yeah.
I'm just gonna take uh oh I got a problem. Do
What?
we have coffee to give?
Just stand out here and ask him to leave.
Do you what?
I shall do it.
He didn't say okay.
Oh.
I'm just gonna look at cameras. They look perfectly fine. Photo looks fine. Putting no. And this is like my routine check. And name fine.
Oh.
Done. Done with my check. Oh.
I just went through the door.
No, it was because I closed it.
Nah.
No, I don't like Ron from accounting. He talks too much
But
sometimes.
why?
You you discovered Ron
First
first.
encounter.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Uh,
Wee.
no, done. Wait, what does it say? Top secret on his suitcase.
Yeah.
Okay, Ron.
I will be in room 7.
Yeah, and if you have any questions to ask, just leave it in the comment of one of our videos. I have a problem with saying that.
Oh. Comments?
No, oh,
Oh.
yeah, I have a little bit of problem saying that.
Okay.
Hey, do you have the taser?
Nope.
Oh, did we not get that yet?
I don't know.
Oh, Bailey has come.
Oh, a bunny. First encounter.
I'm still waiting. Give coffee. Thanks, friend. I needed that. I will remember this. Yeah, you will. Yeah, you will.
I'm probably gonna forget those things.
Yeah, that we gave him like coffee.
Not that.
What?
I needed
What
3
then?
things to run from accounting.
Yo, I can help you if you want.
Boo!
Did you just spit on me?
Boo! Nah, I'm trying to scare you.
Oh, I thought you were trying to spit on me.
Ah, yes, spit. Somebody better
was
not throw up everywhere.
you-
Everywhere. Rah,
It was like you trying to sneeze on me or something. Sneeze. She sneezed on me. Wait, were you trying to sneeze on me?
No.
You sure?
Yeah.
Someone's going to room 4.
Yeah, I know.
Oh,
I'm already going
the,
there.
oh, the lights are a bit of giving me the creeps. Oh, oh,
Oh no!
oh!
How dare
It's
they?
just someone who's really
Oh,
itching.
yeah.
And also, they look a bit out of shape. When you see my video, you will get this.
Yeah. I think I am.
Just yeah, you are not seeing my point of view. I mean, like, to the people who will watch this
Hmm.
when we post it.
Yeah. Meant from maple syrup.
Oh, what is? They have a cartoony. They have a
Cartoony?
cartoon cartoon face. Oh, you gave me the jump scare. I thought like it was weird that they like watched the cameras, like they followed the gaze of
Oh.
the cameras. And then I looked
Oh.
at them and saw that oh their picture looks wrong.
No, it looks.
It's no the last one.
Oh. Are you?
And it's
Too
sorry
normal.
guys, am I yapping too much? I just have just waiting. Oh, we need to treat some customer.
I'm kind of broke. I am. I have no Robux.
I have
I
no.
can't even buy a cola.
I have one.
One coffee. One coffee. Oh, one Robux.
Yeah, and I have $3 in this game.
Free?
No, like three, like the number three.
Oh,
Don't you know your English numbers?
definitely.
You sure?
No.
Oh, oh, okay.
They're so quiet.
Yeah, I'm waiting for you to finish the last customer or customer
I'm
patient.
just standing here with the maple syrup.
I never thought you can do this, or I didn't know you could do that. Oh, I prevented 2 anomalies.
Yeah.
Yeah, the shop is open. I'm gonna go to the shop. Oh, I'm broke. Do you have money to buy that?
Extra chicken? I do.
Yeah,
We need a camera.
I'm gonna work.
Deploy a security camera.
You look fine. Twitching? No, twitching. If
I
you
got
were
room
twitching,
6.
actually. Hey, do we have a taser?
Yeah.
Just so you know, I don't I think that's an anomaly, so
Why?
be ready.
Why do you think it's an anomaly?
Because the last time someone kept leaving slime by the footsteps, they were an anomaly and tried to eat me.
Okay.
So
And I suck at this. Oh
be
no!
prepared. I'm taking care of it.
No one will know.
No one will know.
Yeah,
No
no one.
except the viewers.
You guys saw
Oh,
nothing.
yeah, you didn't see anything at all. Oh, and I'm taking one from accounting right now.
Are you? I'm struggling.
Yeah. Or you're having...
Yeah, please help me. I cannot do the room 6 one. I actually suck.
I'm just taking care of something right now. Oh, Bailey. Bailey.
I need coffee. I shall give.
No, I will give it.
Fine.
May I ask for a favor, friend? Why he's saying friend? Oh, he wants the suitcase to be kept safe.
I like my suitcase.
It says don't open. Not suspicious at all. Not suspicious. This suitcase feels heavy. Not
It's not
suspicious.
suspicious.
Not suspicious at all.
Yeah.
At all. Not suspicious. Do you need the coffee or will I take the coffee?
Coffee.
How much energy do you have?
Think of a number between 98, no, 95 and 100.
Do you have 100?
No, but close. Review.
I have a camera that's down. Can you help?
I don't know where it is, but I'm taking care of somebody.
Oh, because I can't see if this is an anomaly or not.
Who?
A reindeer.
Oh.
And I don't want to get eaten alive by that
You don't?
thing. Oh, somebody's on fire. Nah, I got it.
I'm doing surgery.
Yeah, I got it. I'm just gonna fix the crib.
Done.
I'm just gonna look if they're in anomalies. Then they look fine, I guess. Oh!
Oh, what?
I mean, this one's normal. But this one's not at all. Not at all. So shut us.
One camera down.
Oh, I just fixed one.
You did?
Yeah, I did.
It's this one.
Looks fine.
By the way, I suck at room 6. So, minions, you take it.
What is it?
That's that number game.
Oh, that. It's not a game, if you ask me.
This is a game.
Not a game, if you ask me.
Okay.
It's. Do I say yes to a visitor?
Yes.
Okay.
Nothing bad could happen.
Room 4.
Medicine, herbs, cough syrup.
But yeah, what room did you say it was?
Number 6. I was just about to kill someone with maple syrup.
With maple syrup. How?
Yeah. I'm totally not. I was certainly not about to feed them. Is that a camera? What is? Oh.
I got it first try.
First try.
First try every time.
Don't check my
Except
recording when I post my version or POV.
I want to check it now.
What? No, you don't.
You will see me in the comments.
Uh-oh. I'm shaking in my boots.
What?
I'm shaking.
What did you?
I'm super scared right now then.
What did you just say?
Boots, like shoes or something.
I can't hear you.
Why can't you hear me?
I just can't hear you.
Should I taste this guy? Wait. Charlie Kimura.
If it's someone suspicious, then yes, always
It's
taste
that
them.
visitor.
Are they suspicious?
They're just staring at... Let me check. They're just staring at... a wall.
Just...
Whoops.
What? You shouldn't be just doing that.
But I got my coffee. I think you were right about room 6. You were definitely right. You were definitely right. I'm taking this coffee and I'm chugging it down. I'm good. I'm just gonna hide.
What was it?
Something. Oh, okay.
You have the taser. Take the taser.
Nope, I don't.
I knew it. I knew it. I knew it.
Yeah.
I knew it. Yeah, I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it.
I'm staying up here.
I knew it.
What?
I knew it. What are you doing?
What? What if there's a fire?
Then we have something, okay?
Why couldn't I have a gun right now? I will knock everyone that comes in out. Because no one will know.
Take the... Oh, we don't. The taser. Wait, we are cooked.
Nah, I got this.
God.
Normal.
Can you say to me if there's
2-4. I'll take 2.
If there's
take
something.
4.
Nope, no thank you.
Why?
Invisible man.
Oh. But or else he will die.
I don't care.
And I cannot remember what this guy wanted. Oh. It was this. Then I will take him.
Yeah.
But I'm not going close to those guys. He's just standing there. Menacingly.
Eye drops.
You know what? No, these guys are not coming out. And that slime is staying there. Jesus, what's happening in there?
I'm I'm gonna take the fire. No, I will take the fire. I will take the fire.
Okay, I'll take the
And
fire.
he is recovering. He's recovering. You take the
Oh no. Oh,
You take the wood.
you actually gotta be kidding me.
Oh, I can see that, man.
Minions, help me! Take out the candles.
No,
I'm getting chased. Oh,
by two of them.
thank you.
I just put out them. Wait, are they dead or will they come back?
They're dead.
You sure?
No. I don't think I'm gonna be able to sleep tonight with how much I've taken.
I understand your pain.
Yeah, and
I
actually
understand.
done. I've drank too much now. Too much coffee. Bleeding. I want to perform surgery.
Yeah. Okay.
There's still someone in room 7.
Patient recovering. Patient recovering. Oh shit. Oh, I got the taser and the
Okay,
coffee. I really want the coffee.
you
I need
just drink the coffee. Now what's happening?
I. How did I guess that? How did I guess that? No.
I don't know. But I'm gonna be
How?
chasing this guy with a meat. Oh no, wait, this is a transplant, not meat. Or I guess it is meat.
Det er fordi... Oh,
Good job.
I thought that he looked suspicious, so I think I'm just gonna chase him. And it was an anomaly. Like, how?
I don't know.
Patient treated.
11.
Yeah, I printed one.
Hello. I
I'm
wanted
taking
that. No, this is mine. Barney, you're dead.
No.
I'll never kill Barney. But I will kill somebody. Kachan, my friend. I wonder.
I'm just gonna give the coffee.
Hello, you wanna get shot? Hello, my name is Jack Song. And check in as a patient. Okay, you can just check in. By the way, guys, we're gonna stop this episode right now, but film another, like, we're gonna stop this one and then start again. So,
Yeah, okay.
bye bye, guys.
Bye bye.